My foundation is Live, Love, Walk Sexy. Live in the moment, love yourself, mind, body, and spirit, and walk sexy with your full feminine power and your full sexuality. I like to do it in a high heel. Okay, you can do it in a flip-flop or a sneaker. I like a high heel. So that's it.
So do I.
And just empowering us, just empowering us, because we are women first. Before anything, before this disease, we are women, and we need to be conscious of that. Even going through chemotherapy, who we are, this cancer does not take away. That's, just know that.
Breast Cancer Month.
Yes, we're stepping into Breast Cancer Awareness Month. That begins in October, and next year we're going to be walking sexy for the cure. My foundation is just getting off the ground, so by then, but we do some small things in my community in Staten Island, so I'm looking forward to doing that and working with the councilwoman and just across Staten Island. There's so many areas and so many women that are reaching out to me. It's becoming really a quest for me to encourage, empower, and help change lives, because information is very, very powerful. Very powerful. So we're going to go in here and take the C-scan, and I'll see you guys later.